Now, there is a certain stigma about affiliate marketing that has led many people to believe that they cannot do affiliate marketing without a website, which has led to many new affiliate marketers asking themselves if they can make money online without a website. Well, the simple answer to that is yes, you can, and let me explain. You see, although many top marketers have proven that a website or a blog is the most sure and secure way to succeed as an affiliate marketer, you actually can still start off as an affiliate marketer even without a website. The simple reason for that is because the key to affiliate marketing is knowing how to send people who have problems on a specific topic to a product that will help them solve that problem. As long as you know how to get people to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase, you're good to go. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some different ways you can start using to make money as an affiliate marketer without a website. Hi there, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I got started without a website, and at the end of this video, I'm going to show you an easier way of how you can get started without a website. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in growing your channel, driving traffic to your videos while making money on the site as an affiliate marketer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, if you're interested in doing affiliate marketing but a little bit hesitant because you don't have a website or a blog, well, I've got some good news for you. You can consider the following methods I'm going to show you as great ways to get started with affiliate marketing without a website. Now, I've mentioned this several times before in other videos on this channel that YouTube is the best way to get started as an affiliate marketer without a website. When a YouTuber points you to click on a specific link on their video, or when they tell you to use a specific code on a website to get a discount, actually pretty much any unboxing or review videos are all affiliate marketing videos right there. Now, contrary to the popular beliefs, you don't need to be a YouTube star with thousands of subscribers to be able to do affiliate marketing on the platform. As long as the video you create and post on YouTube is informative, useful, or creative, you should have no trouble making money as an affiliate on YouTube. Actually, that's how I got started too. After failing to run a website because of the monthly fees that I was getting without making any single sales as an affiliate, I was forced to start out without a website, and YouTube was my solution. Now I have a website where I promote affiliate offers and build an email list, all thanks to YouTube. Having said all that, you have to also understand that Google loves videos, which is why they have a completely dedicated section only for videos on their search engines. Whenever you make a search also on Google, you also see that there is often a YouTube video at the top of the search results, which means affiliate marketing with YouTube can still be extremely profitable. Now, to start with affiliate marketing on YouTube, you need to create content that is related to whatever product you are promoting. Now, creating a video content is usually easier said than done. To create a YouTube video, for example, you need to research the topic of the video, create and film the video content, edit it before optimizing it for posting on YouTube. As if that was not time consuming enough, you have to promote the video also on other platforms after it goes live on YouTube. Now, what if there is a tool that can help you create content and embed your affiliate link all over the content? Well, actually, you'll be surprised at the different softwares available online. Rate, for example, is a new software created to help affiliate marketers just starting out to start making money with affiliate marketing without a website. Now, the Rate software combines 3 proven tried and tested elements to make generating daily affiliate commissions simple, viable, and consistent for everyone. With the Rate software, you can instantly unlock the best-selling ClickBank products, for example, in any niche. The software will help you find and create content posts to match the chosen product you are promoting, and then embed your affiliate link automatically into all the content. There is also an inbuilt traffic system that will help you syndicate each ClickBank content post across multiple high traffic platforms. Basically, the Rate software will help you build assets for passive results while it's generating affiliate profits in the short term. Now, before I show you how this tool works, I'll first like to show you this bonus pack I've put together if you decide to pick the Rate software through my link below this video. These bonuses actually complement the Rate software in many different ways, as you're going to see. The first bonus you'll be getting for free is one of Juno's products called Boomerang Body Pro, which is valued for about $197 and is currently still selling online, and I've bought the rights to the product to share it with you. The Boomerang software will help you get instant traffic from Instagram to the content you created using the Rate software so as to kickstart your traffic. You'll also be getting Macy's Fogo Multiplier, which is valued for about $97 and is also currently still selling online. The Fogo Multiplier will show you simple ways to multiply your profit with a few clicks, which is also something you need since time is of essence nowadays. You'll also be getting my set of 20 plus secret video tutorials on how to get targeted and organic traffic for free. And the last bonus here is one of Brandon May's tutorials on how to explode your YouTube channel if you decide to use YouTube in the future. Brandon shares some great tips in this video tutorial which I think you really want to check out. Now, in addition to all these bonuses, you'll also be getting all the bonuses that the vendor of the Rate software has to offer. So after watching the Rate software in action, if you think it's a tool that you would like to have, then click on the first link below this video and that will lead you to this bonus page. On this bonus page, you want to click on any of these orange buttons and it will take you to the Rate software sales page. Now, when you make a purchase, you'll find all the bonuses I promised you on this page by clicking on the blue button under the product assets button. Now just check out how to use the Rate Web cloud-based tool to get started with affiliate marketing without a website.
Hey, this is Nakul from Engage Leads and welcome to the demo video of our newest software called Red App. So what is Red App? Red App in a nutshell is a software that enables users to instantly find the best-selling ClickBank products in real time and then promotes, syndicates and profits with just 3 simple steps. So in step number 1, software finds out best-selling products in any niche in real time by just entering a keyword. In step number 2, Red finds content to match, creates targeted hub posts and embeds user affiliate link. And in step number 3, it syndicates targeted content across multiple platforms and drives lots of free traffic for you. So now let's go ahead and see how Red App works. So right now you can see I'm in the dashboard of Red App. I have already logged in with my user ID. So here the first thing you have to do is you have to select your subdomain. So let's go ahead and select our subdomain. I want to start my website in weight loss niche. So let's go ahead and start with this. So let's select this subdomain. So it's available now. I will decide the site title. So here you have to put your ClickBank ID, and if you don't know how to create, you can create one. I have added tutorial over here. So let's add our ClickBank ID. And from here you can select your niche. So here in this case I'm going to focus on cooking and food related to weight loss. So I will click here on cooking and food, or else you can see we have got health and fitness here as well. So now you can see my site is already created, but it will take some time, few minutes to set up the subdomain and activate everything. So after 4-5 minutes your site would be ready. So after that you can go ahead and edit your site as per your requirement. You can simply click here to go and customize the feel and look of your website. So right now here I'm in the dashboard and my website that I have created with the subdomain weight loss is appearing over here. So let's go ahead and start with the product research. So click on product. That's the step number 1, and here you have to put your keywords. So weight loss is my keyword. I will click on search. Now software will give me every single product that is available on ClickBank with the details. So like how much commission you can make, what is the average dollar per sale and average rebill and all that stuff, what is the gravity, every single thing this software gives you, then you can decide which one to promote. But let's go ahead now for now with this product, okay, and we will promote this. So click on promote here. Okay, again just enter your keywords, so say weight loss, and we have to now search for feeds. Okay, so just click on search feeds, and now you can see here few articles related to your keywords. So let's go ahead and edit this one. So click on save and edit. So now here you can see the shortlisted post is over here. So what we will do, we will just go and click on save and next, and post is added successfully. Once that is done, you can go here again in the dashboard and you can check your page. Okay, once you click and your page is ready, it will look like, so this is how your ClickBank website will look like. So whenever someone clicks on any of these posts, you can see here the button, okay, to promote relevant product, and the button is embedded with your affiliate link. So when someone clicks on this button and purchases product, you will get the commission. So this is how Red app works. So that's it for now. Thank you so much.
Again, don't forget to click the first link below this video if you're interested and get all these bonuses in addition. With all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.